Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly, your transmission starts acting up. Shifting feels rough or your car doesn't respond as expected. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0933. This error is related to the hydraulic pressure sensor circuit high, which plays a key role in monitoring your transmission's hydraulic pressure. In this video, I'll break down what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how you can fix it step by step. Let's get started. DTC P0933 indicates that the hydraulic pressure sensor circuit is detecting higher than expected voltage or pressure readings. This sensor is crucial for maintaining proper transmission pressure, ensuring smooth shifting. If it's faulty or sending incorrect signals, you might experience harsh shifts, slipping gears, or even limp mode. If your car has this code, you may notice hard or rough gear shifts, transmission slipping, delayed acceleration or hesitation, check engine light or transmission warning light, car stuck in limp mode, won't shift past second or third gear. To properly diagnose and fix P0933, here are the key locations you need to check. Hydraulic pressure sensor mounted on the transmission housing, near the valve body or fluid pressure lines. Transmission control module found under the dashboard, inside the fuse box or near the engine bay. It regulates shifting based on sensor input. Transmission fluid pressure switch located inside the transmission valve body, next to the solenoid pack. It detects pressure changes and signals the TCM. Wiring and connectors run between the HPS sensor, TCM, and valve body, transferring electrical signals. If you're experiencing shifting problems, start by checking the HPS sensor and wiring first. Here are the most common reasons for this code. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor sending incorrect high-pressure readings. Excess transmission fluid pressure caused by a faulty pressure regulator or solenoid. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, broken wires, or a short circuit in the sensor wiring. Malfunctioning transmission control module, misinterpreting sensor data, and blocked or dirty transmission valve body causing erratic pressure readings. Follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1, check the hydraulic pressure sensor using a multimeter to test voltage readings. If readings are too high, replace the sensor. Step 2, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or shorted wires between the HPS sensor and TCM. Step 3, check transmission fluid and pressure. If fluid is dirty, burnt, or overfilled, drain and refill with the correct type. Step 4, scan the TCM for additional codes. If other codes appear, the TCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5, inspect the transmission valve body. Clean or replace if shifting issues persist. Step 6, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved with a test drive.
If your transmission is shifting hard or slipping, don't ignore P0933. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor, transmission fluid, and wiring to get your car back to smooth operation.
For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0732, Gear 2, incorrect ratio, P0733, Gear 3 incorrect ratio. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.